What's up, guys? Dyno with WIKD here. Today we got an Audi RS5. Just put on the integrated engineering intake. We got aftermarket downpipes.
2019 Audi RS5. Yeah, clean. So we're just doing some minor stuff to it, kind of, I guess, like in a sense, the stage 2.
Yeah.
So here we have the charge pipe, boost pipe, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
That replaces this
little tiny.
Yeah. So instead of the 2 pipes coming out, it's going into
one
one
big system.
into 2, right? So there's that. And then we have some very, very clean downpipes. We undid one. I mean, look at that. That's clean.
That's pretty clean.
That's clean. Like I'm impressed. That's probably the cleanest downpipes we've gotten here.
Yeah.
Very clean. I'm excited to see what that sounds like. Bop,
Bonk.
bop.
What's over here? What's over here?
We have also Integrated Engineering's carbon fiber cold air intake, in a sense.
It's clean.
It is very clean. I like the little fins up top.
Yeah. That is dope.
With their dry filter. With a dry filter? Their dry filter? One of the two.
So how much are we like trying to get out of this? What? Oop.
This guy.
What is that?
This is a plunger for the high pressure fuel pump. But this will help the car get more fuel,
Okay.
therefore make more power.
Okay. Okay. Total horsepower from all this stage 2 stuff. Do you think?
What'd you make stock? I don't remember.
386, I think.
After Nick, probably. I was about to say just over 5. Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That much?
Yep.
Okay. So this is a pretty big upgrade here, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Shout out Integrated Engineering for getting Peter his parts. Nice and fast. They're clean.
What?
Those are some baby turbos.
But yeah, shout out Integrated Engineering
And
and Downpipe. Who's this?
RDSR?
Yeah. Shout them
Sure.
out. Shout them
Definitely
out.
shout them out.
Yeah, yeah. They got a clean downpipe. We're hoping to get some good power out of this. I'm excited. Let's get into it. How's this build going so far?
I don't want to jinx it, but
Pretty smooth.
pretty. Oh, that's nice. New seal on.
Ooh. Ooh. Right.
C.
Did you label that?
I did not. It came labeled. Which I
You forget your lefts and rights.
It's
It's okay if you do.
Oh, that's gonna burn. Yeah, all right. Matt, love you. Say it back. He didn't say it back.
No, I didn't.
No, he didn't. Okay. One pipe going in. Oh, wow, this thing's gonna fit nice.
Perfect.
Hey, Aiden, how you doing, bud?
Oh, I'm great. I'm great. What are we doing? What did we get done?
We got done downpipes.
Clean.
Clean, super clean.
Super easy install too.
Super easy. One nut was a pain, but
Yeah.
luckily I got in there.
You got it.
I got
You
it. And then we did the charge pipe.
Yeah.
Charge pipe, boost tube, has like multiple names.
Yeah.
And now we're getting the intake done. So all in all, pretty good. All in all, pretty good. Got an issue with the high pressure pump,
Yeah.
fortunately. So we're waiting on that, and then we get to start it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm
So wait,
excited.
what was your horsepower predictions from earlier?
I think mine was just at 5 or just over 5.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think so. I think Dale said 515 or something, or
Yeah.
520.
I think I'm around there. I'll say like
Yeah. I mean, it makes sense.
just 5.
Just 5.
Yeah, just 5.
Peter's hoping for 6. I don't know about that. don't know.
I mean, with a saucy tune, maybe.
maybe,
Right.
maybe.
Pops and bangs.
Yeah, all the pops and bangs.
Yeah.
Level
So-
5? Oh.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right,
Oh,
what do you
yeah.
think? Comment below. What do you think it'll make?
Let's hear it.
Let's hear it. Like now. I want to hear it now.
Yeah, tell me. I'm listening.
Perfect. All right, last puzzle piece.
Yeah, this thing's a pain in the butt.
I believe. I believe. There you
It's
go.
because y'all were watching. That's why. It's because y'all were watching. I've legit been fighting this for like 10 minutes.
No, he hasn't. We just now got it.
Yeah, first try. First try.
That looks clean.
It does.
Not gonna lie.
I'll tighten it down later, but that looks pretty cool.
Look at that. Dude, that looks so much better. Looks mean.
Good. I like that. I can't get over the downpipes.
Yeah.
Those things are insane.
Well, like they match the texture. It's so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very well done.
Factory.
Very well done.
And we already baselined it. Now we're gonna do the custom tailored tune to it with our man Nick. Does the magic. Check out the downpipe. The carbon fibers.
Wow.
Carbon fibers.
Ooh. Ah.
Integrated engineering. So yeah, we're gonna get into this. So custom tunes are important because like you don't have the right tune, this thing could run like shit. So you want to go fast, you want to be reliable. Nick, tell us why custom tuning is important.
Because it's tailored to the specific car. A lot of the in tunes or off-the-shelf tunes are just a generic way to kind of do things. Some cars run differently. Some cars want different things. So the real way to see is where the power is made and safely.
What are you doing right there? Removing?
I'm gonna take the ECU out and bench flash just like the stage 2 tune on it. After I do that, then I can flash through the OBD.
Cool. So yeah, Audi likes to keep their ECUs in the engine bay because Audi's weird like that, right, Nick?
German
Yeah, it's nice.
engineering.
It's very easy to get to.
You can get
It's
to.
not like Mercedes where they put them down and hide them around
Yeah.
the hot.
Yeah, most ECUs are like in the cabin. Get into it.
Dale, should I tune my car if I get a new exhaust?
You probably should.
What do the curves say to you?
More power.
What are you eating, Michael?
That beef stick, baby. So hard. Yeah. We got the beef stick.
stick, baby.
All sticks going.
Michael, why do you love custom tunes?
Because instead of an off-the-shelf tune that fits every car possible, custom tune is designed for your vehicle only.
For you.
For you.
We just hit 525.
545?
525.
Damn.
Yeah.
Well, it beat my expectations.
Bro, he's cooking.
In a good way?
He's cooking.
Call this beef stick tune.
The beef stick, dude?
Yeah.
What'd we do? We did
We did intake downpipe tune.
Yeah.
With a pump piston for the high pressure pump for the E85.
Yep. What were the numbers? Tell us about the tune.
Ended
How
up
was
at
it?
525, 585. I'm liking the Audi platform a lot more.
Yeah.
I was kind of hesitant at first because BMW and Mercedes are kind of my favorites.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't argue with simple mods.
Yeah.
And then making over 500.
What'd we baseline out again?
380 and 420.
And we're at 525?
525, 584.
Spicy.
Yep.
And you didn't add any burbles or pops. That's just how it is.
No, customer just wanted it how they come. These come with a little bit of burbles, so he didn't want to overdo it and sound ricey. So
for sure. All right. What is the benefit of doing this?
Repeatability.
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah.
I'll load it down heavily, so it kind of recreates the driving on the highway.
Yep.
Not everybody does that. I guess when they develop the tunes, they just kind of, there's so many AI things that'll do stuff for you, but they don't really think about what's actually happening. These have heat issues with the intake air temps.
Yeah.
So just monitoring that and turbo speed and different things that factor into that. Texas gets hot, so I don't like to full send them. When we know what the weather's like.
Yeah, that's actually a good point, because it's if you get the off-the-shelf tune,
right,
you don't calculate for temperature.
Well, and it's a lot of those are dumbed down to be universal tunes, so you're always going to get more out of it.
Yeah. It's simulating the most real possibility. Yep. So, all right, Nick, thank you so much. You did great. Sounds good.
No, it sounds great. That's way better.
All right, Peter, are you happy with it so far?
Oh, I haven't driven it yet, but so far.
Do we need to put the GoPro in there and you can give us a little review?
Yes.
Yeah?
We can do that when I'm not in a meeting. So.